I'm just making a square guide for my bead roller just to help me get straight lines, because I tend to wander a bit. I haven't quite mastered the art of freehand bead rolling yet, so probably never will, but I'm gonna just make a little square guide that I can kind of slide up and down the bead roller and get my straight lines hopefully straighter. That's the plan. I've got a plan, sort of. Just kind of making it up as I go along, but just got to weld some stuff together and tap and drill some holes and things like that. So let's do it. Well guys, that's my little guide, squarish guide hopefully. Managed to get a little ball of weld in the thread, so I had to tap that back out and just give it a little bit of a clean up. So now I've got to see whether it's going to work on the actual project that I'm supposed to be doing. But now I've made a huge mess. I should probably clean this mess up before I start on the next part. I'll do that and then we'll get into some bead rolling. Just thought I'd explain myself with this this guide thing. Most of the ones you see come through down under here and they kind of clamp under there. Two reasons why I didn't do it that way. First reason is the top part that I made wouldn't fit in there after I made it, so I thought I'll do this top hanging sort of scenario, so hanging it from the top here and sort of my flat guide faces there. What was the second reason? Oh, just easier to get it in and out and stuff like that. Yeah, overall she looks like she might work. Other little mod I did to this Eastwood is I put a little swivelly foot on here yesterday because as you can see, just with that thing that threads down there was just starting to chew out that alloy block, so whether this little foot stays spinning freely like that, it should stop that from getting all galled out and munted. Yeah, so if this works, it might even get a bit of a paint with the other bits up there. That'll be right, eh? Right. I'm going to have a crack at doing this bead roll now. Put you back on the old mic stand. This is the plan, you see. So now I can get my piece up against this guide here, and in theory that should just run through and stay on my line. Forgive me if I'm doing this wrong, but well, it's heaps easier to keep it straightish even though I've come off my line. Yes, it'll be straight to the edge, which is more important. Is that enough? One more. Wow, that actually makes it so much easier. It's still moving around a little bit on there though. It's probably this thing walking out. That might be the next project on the old bead roller, is putting well, I probably can't do that now that I've made this for it, but you can always revisit this later on. Or no, it doesn't work because yeah, to stiffen these up I need to weld stuff onto the back of it, but we'll see.
Just like that. You can see the marks on the back where it's sort of walking around a little bit. You might be able to see it in the video. I can't see it from where I was sitting. There we go, bead roll. That made the job way easier having that. So I spent about 2 hours making this, maybe, round about, and to do 5 minutes worth of bead rolling. But now I have this, it's going to be much easier for me in the future. Well guys, I'll leave it at that for this one. Cheers. No, it's probably a little bit early in the day, or no, it's after 12. Thanks again for watching, as always. If you want to catch some more of these or know when they're coming up, make sure you subscribe, hit the little notifications bell. Got anything, questions, comments, down below in the comments box. Yeah, these little projects wouldn't take as long normally, but I get sidetracked making tools to help me do the projects, or making add-ons for tools and stuff like that. But as I do more and more of that, as you saw on the bead rolling part, the first one I bead rolled without that guide and it's a bit crooked, and it took me ages because I spent so much time trying to keep it on the line, whereas with that guide, huge difference. It just back and forth, done, easy. Should have done it, I would say years ago, but I haven't had the bead roller very long. As always, thanks again. Anyway, till next time, peace.